Most people using Google's NotebookLM right now are barely scratching the surface of what this thing can actually do. They upload a few documents, ask basic questions, and wonder why the results feel generic. Meanwhile, there is a specific set of configuration tweaks that transform this free tool into something that thinks exactly how you need it to think. And once you understand these settings, you suddenly have research leverage that used to require expensive software or a full team. I am Paul James, and if you have ever felt buried under research materials with no clear system to organize or extract value from them, this video is going to change how you work. I am talking about turning chaos into clarity without spending $1. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you go high level, because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem most people run into when they first open NotebookLM. They treat it like a basic search engine for their files. Here is the problem most people run into when they first open NotebookLM. They treat it like a basic search engine for their files. They throw documents at it, type a question, and hope for something useful. But what they get back feels shallow. It is not because NotebookLM is weak, it is because they never told the AI how they actually want it to respond. They left it on default mode when there is a whole instruction layer they could be using. Think about it like this. If you hired a research assistant but never explained your preferences, your workflow, or your goals, that person would just give you whatever felt easiest. Same thing happens here. The AI has no idea if you want bullet points, long explanations, simple language, or technical depth. So it guesses, and most of the time, the guess is wrong for what you need. Here is where things get wild. Google recently expanded the customization field in NotebookLM from a couple of sentences to 10,000 characters. That is enough space to build an entire instruction manual for how this AI should operate. You can tell it your exact tone preferences, your audience level, and the format you want every single answer delivered in. Once you configure this, every response matches your brain instead of fighting against it. I call this the precision output framework. It means you set the rules once and the AI follows them forever in that notebook. No more reformatting answers, no more asking the same clarifying questions over and over. You build the system up front and everything after that just works. Here is how you actually do this. Open NotebookLM and look at the top right corner. You will see a button that says Configure Notebook. Click that and a panel opens up. You will see an option for custom instructions. This is where you write your prompt. Do not overthink it at first. Start simple. Tell the AI what kind of output you want and how detailed it should be. Let me give you an example that is completely different from what most people use. Say you are a consultant building client reports. You could write something like this. You are my research partner helping me build executive summaries for clients. Keep every response under 300 words. Use clear section headers. Avoid jargon unless I specifically ask for it. After giving me information, suggest one follow-up angle I might have missed. That setup alone changes everything. Suddenly, your AI is not just answering questions. It is thinking ahead with you. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Even with perfect customization, you will eventually hit a wall with how many sources NotebookLM lets you upload. On the free version, you get 50 sources. On the paid tier, it is 300. That sounds like plenty until you are halfway through a big project and realize you are tapped out. Most people just stop there. They think they hit the limit, and that is it. But there is a workaround nobody talks about that lets you keep going indefinitely. Here is what you do. Once you have loaded a bunch of sources into your notebook, you ask NotebookLM to create a master summary of all that material. You review it, make sure it captured the key points, and then you save that summary as a note inside the tool. NotebookLM lets you convert notes into sources. So now that summary becomes one single source. You can delete all the original files you uploaded, and you just freed up all those source slots again. Most people never realize this part. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Load new material, compress it into a note, clear the old sources, load more, compress again. You are essentially building layers of synthesized knowledge instead of keeping every raw file. I call this the compression cycle method. It is how you turn a 50 source limit into unlimited research capacity. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. NotebookLM is famous for its audio overview feature. You upload documents and it generates a podcast-style conversation explaining your material. Two AI hosts talk through your content like they are breaking it down for a listener. Most people just hit play and passively listen. But there is an interactive button that lets you jump into that conversation while it is happening. You press join, and suddenly you can ask questions out loud in real time. The hosts pause, answer your question using your uploaded sources, and then keep going. This is massive for anyone trying to learn complex material or verify specific details. You are not just absorbing information, you are actively shaping the conversation as it unfolds. It is like having two research assistants on call who already read everything and are ready to clarify anything instantly. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now let me show you something most tutorials completely skip over. Inside the main prompt box where you ask NotebookLM questions, there are two drop-down menus that change how the tool searches for information. The first one toggles between fast research and deep research. Both options pull from the web, but deep research goes way further. It digs through significantly more sources and can gather around 50 references on its own before giving you a synthesized answer. This is perfect when you are starting a project from scratch and you do not even know where to begin looking. Instead of manually hunting for articles and PDFs, you just give NotebookLM a topic and let it build the foundation for you. Once it finishes, all those sources appear in your notebook. You can delete any that do not fit or that are behind paywalls. You basically outsource the initial research phase to the AI. The second dropdown sits right next to it, and this one connects directly to your Google Drive. When you select that option, NotebookLM can pull documents straight from your drive without you downloading and re-uploading anything. You type something like "Find my project files from last quarter," and it surfaces those documents for you to import instantly. This cuts out so much friction when you are working with materials you already have stored somewhere else. Here's where everything clicks. You can combine these features into one continuous workflow. Start with deep research to build a knowledge base from the web. Then layer in your personal files from Google Drive to add context only you have access to. Then compress everything using that note synthesis method I mentioned earlier. What you end up with is a custom research system built exactly for your project, and it took minutes instead of hours. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. There were so many options and I had no idea which ones actually mattered. But once you understand which settings to prioritize, the whole thing becomes simple. You are not learning the tool anymore. You are just using it to get work done faster. Here's what this means for freelancers and consultants specifically. Imagine you are pitching a client and they ask for a competitive analysis in their industry. Normally, that is hours of manual research. With NotebookLM configured correctly, you run deep research on their competitors, pull in any internal documents they gave you from Drive, synthesize it into a clean summary, and deliver a report that looks like you had a whole team working on it. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,500 for that kind of deliverable depending on the scope. And your actual labor time was maybe 90 minutes. Or say you are building a content calendar for a brand. You upload their existing blog posts, their competitor content, and a few industry reports. You configure NotebookLM to summarize in a way that highlights content gaps and trending topics. Then you use the audio overview feature to review everything while you are driving or doing something else. By the time you sit down to write the actual calendar, all the research is already processed. You are just organizing ideas at that point. Let me walk you through what this workflow could look like in practice. Picture a marketing consultant onboarding a new client in the fitness industry. She could pull every piece of content the client has published, upload competitor analysis reports, and add research papers on audience behavior in that niche. She configures the AI to respond like a strategy partner focused on growth opportunities. Then she shares the entire notebook with her client using a shareable link. The client can ask questions directly to the AI, get answers grounded in all that research, and see exactly how the consultant is thinking. This positions her as someone who did deep work before the kickoff call even happens. A research package like that could easily support a contract in the $2,000 to $3,000 per month range. The whole notebook setup would take less than 2 hours to build. Here is what I want you to think about. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after you master this workflow. You are not manually combing through documents anymore. You are not juggling 10 browser tabs trying to piece together research. You have one centralized system that pulls information, organizes it, and delivers answers exactly how you need them. And because you can share notebooks, you can package this as a service. You could offer research packages to authors, consultants, students, or small business owners. You build the notebook, configure it for their specific needs, and hand them a link. They get access to an AI research assistant that already understands their project. You charge anywhere from $200 for a basic setup to $1,200 for something more complex. And once you build the template, you can replicate it over and over for new clients. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.